Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I came to Maruti showroom just to review this Maruti Celerio, the all new Maruti Celerio, which has launched 1 week back. So let's take a round of this. Many thanks to Pratham Motors for allowing me to shoot this video in their premises. You will get sales and service, both the options in Sajapur premises. So let's start from the exterior and gradually we will get into the other parts. This is the halogen headlight options you will get. No fog lamp. You will get only fog lamps in the ZXi Plus variants. This is only ZXi variant. Side profile looks really good. So you will get the side indicators at the ORVM, except the LXi variant. Tires you will get here 14-inch steel rims up to ZXi. Okay, and in ZXi Plus you will get 15-inch with alloy wheels. You would get 170 ground clearance, which is higher than the earlier model. The overall length of the car you will get 3695 and the wheelbase of 2435 which is bigger than earlier model. You will get halogen tail lamps over here. It looks like a kind of Baleno type tail lamp. You will get reflector and the parking sensors. Two parking sensors you will get. Let's look at the boot. You will get a 313 liter of boot space, which is higher in this segment. Usually you won't get here. Light is not there in the boot. Also you won't get hanging hook for groceries and all. This is a rear parcel tray which is detachable also. Black color steel type spare wheel you will get here. The size of the wheel is also 14-inch. In the ZXi Plus you will get the same size of spare wheel. It won't be a 15-inch. So rear windshield washer you will get at the top. You will get a mounted stop lamp as well. Your wiper you will get in the VXi model, and defogger also. Let's take a round at the interior. The best part is this door almost opens at 90-degree angle. The instrument cluster looks really very simple and compact. The entire interior is finished with black and silver color, and the plastic material is really hard. It's not the softer one. Okay, so power window and window lock, door lock unlock switches given here. So as I said, this is also hard plastic. It comes with two airbags. You will get a 12-volt charging socket over here. USB and aux ports are here only. This variant doesn't come with the touchscreen audio. We'll get touchscreen audio with Apple and Android connectivity only in the ZXi Plus variants. Steering mounted controls you will get over here. Now coming to the leg space, with respect to the driver's seat, you will get ample amount of leg space over here. See, I am 5'10" and this is really good space here in the driver's seat. You can access the front power window control from here. Inside the door locks, it looks like this, silver finished. ORVM adjuster switch you will get over here. This is manually controllable AC unit. Here you will get the defogger and the temperature knob, everything over here only. This is the manual 5-speed H pattern shifter. You will get 4 speakers on four of the doors, and This is the bottle holder. In the sun visor you will see the ticket holder. The reading lamp looks like this, very basic one. And here is the vanity mirror for the passenger seat. Fuel lid opener you will get under the driver's seat. Let's take a look at the back seat of the car. Wow, even this door also opens at the 90-degree angle, quite wide. You will get here the child safety locks. Let's get inside. So the leg room is really fine. I mean, the front seat was literally extended at the last part. So this looks like a bit narrow, but no, it's not so narrow. You will get oh, here are the rear window switches. Okay. Rear door speaker and bottle holder you will get over here. And I discovered that this is the headlight height adjuster switch when I was about to open the bonnet. So bonnet opener is here. Okay. And this is the 1000 cc 3-cylinder K10C series engine with multi-jet fuel injector. It is as same as the Swift and Baleno. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.